Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hailo 4310-100 Aluminium Mini Comfort Folding Steps, designed to make your everyday tasks easier and safer. This lightweight yet robust step stool features two large aluminum treads with anti-slip ridges, ensuring optimal standing comfort and safety. With a practical carrying handle and an integrated unlocking function, this folding step ladder is not only easy to store but also incredibly user-friendly. Its soft grip feet provide excellent stability and slip resistance on various floor surfaces, making it a reliable choice for any home. When folded, it has a compact depth of just 6.5 centimeters, allowing it to fit into almost any nook or cranny. Standing at a total height of 45 centimeters, it offers a working height of up to 2.44 meters, with an open width of 46 centimeters and a depth of 43 centimeters, all while weighing just 3.9 kilograms. Proudly bearing the red Hailo dot, this product embodies the high-quality craftsmanship and exceptional service of a responsible family-owned company. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.